So with the new handlebars, I'm getting rid of this ugly piece of turd. Don't show this. That's going to be on a separate video. Anybody that might have seen it already, you'll see very soon what it is. One of a kind. Well, that's interesting. That was already missing one bolt. Here's another thing I'm going to put on real quick. Replace that tip over sensor all these years, and I still haven't bypassed the tip over, so been meaning to. Now it will be done. And I've had this sitting in a drawer for about a year. Just never installed it. There we go. Just gonna get that zip tied up here out of the way. So I'm gonna take out the, this is the cable I'm replacing for that new lever. And I got the Z400 cable. Hopefully it's short enough. Ooh. So I gotta take the cable off over here. Take the fuel pump off to do that. Okay. Get the fuck out of there. You son of a bitch. There you go. Nailed it. Wait, I don't want my picture taken right now, Christy.
I don't care.
I don't want to be. I suppose it would have been a fairly decent idea. Pay better attention of how I took that out. You know, my hands are too fat for this with the baby cable. It's in. It's in. It's happening. Oh, it's backing back out. Engaged. Alright, good. So the bottom half of the cable's hooked up. Let's get that sunk on there. There we go. I'm gonna put a little bit of grease on this. Just a little bit of grease. Tighten it. Alright, tighten it until I feel this just not all wobbly. Back it just a little. Right there. I'll put the lock nut on. There we go. if you can see right here, I'm just going to tighten this up and take most of my gap out of that with the heavy adjustment. Just like that. Feels good right there. Tighten it down. There you go. New cable installed. So I'm trying to get all the bar stuff taken off first, and then I'll put my new handlebars on. The light bar is going to get remounted, and I have the other different light bar. One of my LEDs in here rattles loose, so I'm going to put a different light bar on. But little upgrades as we go, so keep watching. Those are going to get reused. Look at all the fucking sand on everything. Did anybody wash this? What an idiot. Just trying to keep track of everything. Just hang out right there. There's nothing wrong with these bars. I just want new ones. Let that hang out. Super top secret. The bar clamp with wires. Another video. Oh. This is getting replaced. Let that hang out. There we go. Now I just gotta unbolt the bars. So I'm gonna go some washers. And then my freaking shim here. I gotta space up to where that's welded on top. I don't want to clamp down over that weld. We have maybe that one of those silver washers right there in front. Mm-hmm. Yep. Washer. Net. Ooh. Alright. Just gotta tighten that up enough to where it stays in there. And that's all stainless shit too. And these will actually work out good because I wanted my bars higher.
Mm-hmm.
Spacer. Squasher. Note. Okay, so that's started. I'm gonna get my handlebars set on here so that it'll hold in place. The way my light bar was before, it felt like it was like this high above the handlebars. I'll adjust all that in a minute here. That'll hold my clamps. Now I can start snugging this. Whoa, easy there. Now I'm going to get my handlebars centered up. Looks pretty good. I like them to be like nice and flat across. Give these a snuggie down and start putting everything back together. There we go. Now hopefully the bar pad fits, because that's the only reason I bought new handlebars. Work with me. Come on. There we go. How's that?
Looks good.
My light bar is a little fucking crookeded up from when I wrecked. Oh, yeah. There we go. Crashed it straight. Good enough. So now box of goodies here. I am going to do the blob delete and wire up my own starter button here. So I'm just going to start getting everything all slid onto the handlebars.